Om Namah Shivaya. Today I'm going to speak a few words about moral values. What are moral values? How do you define them? First of all, can you define the moral values at all? How do you define your own set of moral values?
Exactly. Can we define them? In my view, there is nothing like a set of values and we have to follow them because values are something perspective. I feel these set of things are my values and I follow them and I feel happy when I do that. And in the same way, everybody has their own set of values and own set of morals and everything else like that. But on a whole, as a society, we have few values which should be followed by everyone. These are basic. So these basic values define a person as good or a bad. In reality, there is nothing like a good person and a bad person. But when you follow these values, society defines you as a good and bad. But in your heart, you can follow the bad values and be good because it's your perspective of seeing them. So in my view, what I'm going to tell is we can define values, but values define person because you have values are something really necessary for a person to be happy because we all have to be happy and we want to be happy and we do everything to feel happy. So it's a self satisfaction kind of thing. So these values are really necessary not only to you but everybody else also, because if you see like if you have something and you did something wrong and it troubled others and they feel really bad about it. So where are your values and morals there? You're troubling others. These values also make you like they also make you not to hurt others, or also make not only you happy but also others happy, the people around you happy. So what exactly I'm going to tell is like these values should be inculcated into everybody, like in the education stage itself, because education and students life is like something really valuable, because after that the before the education, like when the student is in college or school, he is just a kid, he is just an innocent guy. But when he comes out of that, he sees the real world and he gets exposed to everything, bad, good, everything. So he then shapes into a bad or good person. That defines his persona. So at the student's level, at the student's age, if you inculcate this habit of following values, or making developing the sense of following values, it will really help students. So is it really necessary for everybody and every human being in this world to follow values?
Yes, it is really necessary because value is what makes the basic difference between animals and humans. Morality is not an absolute to every society because they have their own set of values. But the basic key and the fundamental values a society has to follow is the same. That is, do whatever you feel it is right. Either you will do the right thing or you will end up learning something which is right. But you have to make sure that it does not hurt anyone around you, your near and dear, or the co people which who live in the society. Uh, and I've heard a famous proverb that इंसानियत पैसन से नहीं इंसानियत से होती है. It means a person is valued only by the values he follow or he puts in the path rather than the wealth he has earned. That much we give importance to the values in our daily life and society. And these morals have to, as she said, these morals have to be inculcated at the stage of a child, because when we are a child we can accept everything and it's at that stage we just shape our own self. And so when if we inculcate these values and all in the education system when they are a child stage in schools, colleges and any educational institutions, because education is the main weapon how we can indulge or inculcate what all we want in the child.
The awareness of importance of morals in the child and in the children and the youth, because youth, the younger generations are the one who are going to build up the future of the nations, and we sometimes tend to ignore this morals, and we have a lot of emotions and this comes as a barrier. We ignore these morals and commit many mistakes. At the moment the mistake may not have any effect on us, but in the future it will definitely affect us. So we have to follow these morals irrespective of whatever the situation, the circumstances are.
And as she said, it's definitely true, because at the time of when you commit a mistake, you feel that at that time in that situation that what you did is right, but it's not true, because whatever you take the decision taken when you're emotional are never correct, because it has really many influences on you. So at that time you should change. Like, human beings are the only ones who can change, because animals cannot change. Humans are the only ones who can change. So change is necessary. Everybody should change. And this, as she said, this youth have this potential to change themselves and transform them into a good citizens with good moral values and everything. So we have to push this to all the youth and into the minds of all the youth, because this is necessary. Values are necessary.
समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
This was a prayer, like this is to make everybody, like, we prayed that everybody should be happy, and pray for the welfare of others. And this is Srita, and she is Sri Lekha. We are from Amrita, Bangalore. So thank you.